Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, meet again with me in working on the next project. Introduce. My name is Kinanti Laras Prastiani, usually called Kinan or Laras. I took the Islamic Religious Education Study Program. I class 1D by number NPM 211-063-111-0137. Enter the Faculty of Islamic Religion, Singaperbangsa Karawang University. This project was made to complete the final test of semester 1. Okay, first, welcome to Singaperbangsa Karawang University. Singaperbangsa Karawang University is a state university as well as the first university to be established in Karawang Regency, West Java. Was founded on 2 February 1982 by the Foundation for Higher Education Trustees Pangkal Perjuangan. This college was named Raden Adipati Singaperbangsa, the founder of the Kadipaten Karawang under Sultan Agung of Mataram, with the title Adipati Kertabumi III. Since 6 October 2014, Unsika Private College has changed its status to a state university, public universities, in accordance with the Presidential Decree number 123 of 2014 concerning the establishment of the Singaperbangsa Karawang University. The history of the date of the formation of Unsika, namely 1. 5 September 1965 as the Pangkal Perjuangan University before its private college status. 2. 12 June 1970 as the Pangkal Perjuangan Law School. 3. 2 February 1980 to present as the Singaperbangsa Karawang University. Now the status is public university. Singaperbangsa Karawang University has 9 faculties and 32 study programs consisting of 3 diploma programs, 26 undergraduate programs, and 3 postgraduate programs. Faculty of Law, Legal Studies S2, Legal Studies S1, Faculty of Economics, Management S2, Management S1, Accounting S1, Accounting D3. Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Mathematics Education S1, Out of School Education S1, Indonesian Language and Literature Education S1, Physical Health and Recreation Education S1, English Education S1. Faculty of Agriculture, Agrotechnology S1, Agribusiness S1. Faculty of Engineering, Chemical Engineering S2, Electrical Engineering S1, Mechanical Engineering S1, Industrial Engineering S1, Environmental Engineering S1, Mechanical Engineering D3. Faculty of Computer Science, Informatic Engineering S1, Information System S1. Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Communication Science S1, Government Science S1, International Relation S1. Faculty of Islamic Religion, Islamic Religion Education S2, Islamic Religion Education S1, Islamic Education Management S1, Teacher Education Raudatul Atfal S1. Health Faculty, Sport Science S1, Nutrition S1, Pharmacy S1, Midwifery D3. And Currently, it has 16,826 students and 495 lecturers. The current Chancellor is Profesor Dr. Sri Mulyani AK ACPACA, Singapura Bangsa Karawang University or UNSIKA, which has obtained accreditation from the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education, or commonly abbreviated as BANPT, with B accreditation. UNSIKA is located on Route HS Ronggowaluyo, Ward Puserjaya, District Teluk Jambe East, Karawang Regency, West Java, 41361. Next, about FAI, Faculty Islamic Religion. For those of you who want to explore the treasures of Islamic religious knowledge in depth, the Faculty of Islamic Religion is the right choice for you. You know, through this faculty, you can also learn Arabic. After graduating from this faculty, many careers are waiting to be your future choice. For example, Islamic law consultant, expert staff of the Ministry of Religion, teacher to lecture. So writers and businessmen can also, as long as they have the basics. The Faculty of Islamic Religion was originally called the Faculty of Tarbiyah based on an operational permit from the Coordinator of Kopertais Region to West Java, number 13 of that December 21, 1987. On 8 December 2006, the Islamic Education Study Program regained its accreditation status from the National Accreditation Board for Higher Education, or BANPT, with a B grade based on Decree number 19 or BANPT or AK 15 or S1 or 12 or 2006. Then, in 2011, the study program of Islamic Education, Faculty of Islamic Religion, Singapura Bangsa Karawang University, was visited on 5 until 7 December 2011. 2. MPI. The Islamic Education Management Study Program is one of the study program is the Faculty of Islamic Religion. In order for Islamic educational multifunction to be managed in a quality manner, it is necessary to have valuable and qualified managers and administrative staff. 3. PIAUD. The Raudatul Atfal Teacher Education Study Program, or PGRA, is a new study program within the Faculty of Islamic Religion, developing knowledge in the field of Raudatul Atfal or early childhood education through research activities and community service, as well as collaborating with related parties for the advancement of Raudatul Atfal or early childhood education. Now I will focus on explaining the study program that I am taking, namely Islamic Religious Education. The vision is become a study program that produce professional, competent, and excellent educators at the national level in 2022. Its mission is 1. Organizing professional academic activities in the field of Islamic religious education. 2. empowering and developing human resource according to competence in the field of Islamic religious education. 3. Develop knowledge in the field of Islamic religious education through research and community service activities. 4. Disseminate the result of scientific studies in the field of Islamic religious education through an accredited national journal. 5. Cooperating with stakeholders in the development of Islamic religious education. The competency of the study program is that of educators in Islamic religious subject in school. Several lecturers who hold courses in semester 1 of the Islamic religious education study program at Singapura Bangsa Karawang University Kelas 1D are 1. Basic Education Bapak Dr. Haji Mashkur Mansur, DRSMM. 2. BTK Metodologi Ibu Lilis Karyawati, SAG MAG. 3. English Ibu Yuna Tresna Wahyuna, SS MPD. 4. Islamic Studies Bapak Iwan Hermawan, SAG MPDI. 5. Arabic Bapak Khalid Ramdhani, SPDI MPDI. 6. Study of Fikih and Usul Fikih Bapak Kasja Eki Waluyo, SSY MSY. 7. Citizenship Education Ibu Dedeh Kartini, MPD. 8. Hadis Study Ibu Hajah Debibik Nabilatul Fauziah, LCM. 3. Graduates of Islamic Studies have the provision to manage religious learning centers such as Islamic boarding schools, tahfiz house, and so on. 4. Being an entrepreneur is also a good choice, For example, by making children's fairy tale books or stories of the prophets and apostles. That's why you can also preach at the same time through the books that are sold. Work prospect Islamic studies graduates are needed in various fields. For example, graduates of Islamic religious education are projected to become religious teachers in both primary and secondary school. Graduates of Aqidah and Islamic philosophy can have a career as a preacher. So, there are many career opportunities that await graduates of Islamic studies. The types and career paths are quite varied. This usually refers to job performance. The amount of income is also very dependent on ability, area of work, level and trade, and experience. Here are how many career options you can engage in. 1. Civil servants or PNS. Course description. You can also do religious studies in line with the choice of academic education, Studying in the Department of Islamic Studies will help you understand the laws and regulations that apply from an Islamic point of view. You will learn various things in life based on the Quran and Hadith. Many universities will also teach about the development of Islam, Islamic economics, Islamic law, Islamic education, and others. There are many advantages to be gained from a graduate of Islamic studies. 1. You will become an Islamic scholar who can contribute to the development of Islamic education. 2. In addition to being a religion teacher, lecturer, or teaching staff, Graduates of Islamic religion can also have a career as a supervisor of Islamic education. 2. Businessman. 3. Elementary or junior or high school teacher. 4. Lecturer. 5. Author or content writer. 6. And many others. College work. Studying in the Department of Islamic Studies, generally you will be forgot for 4 years or 8 semesters to earn a Bachelor of Religion degree after completing your studies later. Meanwhile, graduates from the Department of Islamic Religious Education will receive a Bachelor of Education degree. Well, did you know? The science of Islam is very broad, you know. Usually for the undergraduate level, there are several study programs offered, such as Aqidah and Islamic Philosophy, Al-Quran and Tafsir Science, Hadis Science, Muamalah, Islamic History and Culture, Islamic Community Development, Dakwah Management, and many more. The subjects that you can find in the Department of Islamic Studies include Arabic, Morals and Sufis, Tauhid Science, Usul Fiqh, the Quran, Al-Hadis, History of Islamic Culture, Islamic Philosophy, Hadis Aqidah, Ulumul Hadis, Ulumul Quran, Tahfiz Quran, Tahfiz Al-Hadis, Secondary Prison Book Studies, Modern Contemporary Interpretation Book Studies, Logic Interpretive Thought in Indonesia, and so on. Graduates of Islamic Studies also have broad opportunities to continue their studies to the postgraduate level. There are many prestigious campus at home and abroad that you can use as a reference. The scholarship offered are no less interesting, you know. My feeling being an Islamic religion faculty student is that I'm very happy and proud to be part of the Islamic religion faculty Singa Perbangsa Karawang University family. Can repeat religious material that has been studied in kindergarten and elementary school, which of course there are those who have forgotten. And in this faculty, especially in the Islamic Religious Education study program, everything can be reviewed so that we do not forget the Islamic teachings that we have learned since childhood. It's good to understand your own religion and feel stupid because you are born Muslim but do not fully understand your own religion. Proud to be part of this faculty and department because here I have learned a lot of things, especially the wisdom of why I was only accepted in this department and faculty at Singa Perbangsa Karawang University. Why did God choose this major for me? Maybe because God wanted me to understand more about my own religion. Allah wants me to be a better person and He gave me the opportunity to improve myself. Here we can learn to be good Islamic religious educators, can be businessmen to do not forget that here we are also taught how to organize will and many others. As I explained earlier, after graduating from the Department of Islamic Religious Education, you will get an SPDI degree and the first target must be to become a teacher first. So, how? Still have doubts about the Department of Islamic Religious Education? Religious education is useful in this world and hereafter. It's a shame if you do not learn it. Hehe. Anyway, being an Islamic religion faculty student is cool. It's not inferior to other faculties. Come on, join me to be part of the big family of the Faculty of Islamic Religion, Islamic Education Study Program, Singapura Bangsa Karawang University. Don't forget, white. Yes, maybe that's where my explanation comes from. More or less, please forgive. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye and see you next time.